Hello everybody, today I'm here to show you what I got in my February BoxyCharm. I have seen quite a lot of spoilers on Instagram, so I've got a pretty good idea what's in here. So much so that I know I'm pretty sure there's at least one highlighter in here, so I didn't put any highlight on today so that I can actually use what's in the box. So I've got my scissors, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this open. Oh my gosh, there's 2 stickers on it. It wasn't gonna come open in shipping. It was like, it's kind of like bulging a little bit. I guess they might need a bigger box. Anyways, the first thing I'm seeing is the little card, and it says Galaxy Glow on it, and then it just has everything on the back here that's in the box. I'll refer to that later. And then it looks like we've got a coupon code for CoverFX because there is a CoverFX product in here. I'm so excited. It says 20% off of your next purchase. I probably am not going to use it, but in case anybody else wants it, it's FX Charm. I'm sure that everybody got the same coupon code this month. Okay, so we got brushes. I did see these on Instagram. It's 3 crown brushes. I don't know like what they specifically are necessarily, but let me get them out of the packaging. They are so pretty. They have like this white pink ombre look to them, which is really cool. Can't get that one out. Here they are. Oh, really soft. I've never had crown brushes before. So let's see. Crown Pro, I guess is actually what it's called. It's a trio brush set. It retails for $29.99 for the 3 brushes. And let's see. It says to contour your face to perfection. The small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath the eyes, so I guess they mean that one. The medium brush, which is this one, can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and perimeter of the face. I guess just like the outside of your face. And finally, the large one can be used to set everything in place. They're kind of I don't know, this one's kind of small for that. I kind of wouldn't mind trying this as maybe like to apply blush, I think. And then this, what did they say? To sculpt. I could see using that like right here to kind of contour with. And then this one, I don't know, it almost screams eye brush to me more than anything. But I'm sure I'll get some use out of it. It's nice they have like little indentations where your fingers should go, which is nice because you're really not supposed to hold a brush up really high. You're supposed to hold them lower. That gives you more, I think it gives you the ability to blend better. I hope they're coming across okay. Like the tip of it is pink. It looks very blown out in the camera, but hopefully you can see that. Very pretty. I've got something in here. Seraphine, Botanicals, Moisturizing Lip Buffer, Sugar and Lemon. I don't remember seeing this on Instagram. It comes in this nice little like oval compartment, and then you've got your little thing right there. That is super nice. I like this. I like this packaging. Let me get out and read the card. It's a moisturizing lip buffer. It retails for $24. A blend of soft sugary crystals within a rich, nourishing salve base that gently exfoliates and buffs lips, leaving behind smoother skin with a touch of refreshing lemon zest scent. Made with avocado, apricot, and jojoba, I'd say that right, oils, as well as shea and cocoa butter to help rejuvenate and hydrate lips. That sounds really nice. My lips are actually doing okay right now. Oh, and it's sealed. I appreciate that. But yeah, my lips have been pretty good lately, which is kind of surprising. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. I'm just going to put, I have like a lip product on. I have lipstick on. So I'm just going to put this on the back of my hand. Ooh, okay. Yeah, this is really nice. But now I'm going to need to go clean it off my hands because it is very like, it's got texture to it, like a sugar crystal kind of texture. So I can see how this would buff, but it feels really nice. they don't really seem to be going away, like the crystals. So I guess you'd have to wipe it off a little bit, or could you eat it? Like, what were all of the ingredients? Were those all of them? Oh no, it does say after using to rinse with cold water or wipe with a wet tissue. So don't eat it. Don't listen to me. I'm gonna go clean this off. All right, so I went ahead and rinsed that off, and it actually feels really nice right there where I had it on my hand. So I think this is gonna work really good on my lips. I love this packaging. I love the little container that it came in, this little cylinder container, and then it's just like cardboard, but I don't know, it's just nice. I'm not used to getting stuff in those types of containers. And then the actual packaging itself is kind of like that aluminum, kind of like metal kind of feel. I don't know, it just feels nice, you know? It smells really good. I love that smell. Oh, love this. I think I'm pleasantly surprised with that. I was not expecting to like that so much. The next thing I'm seeing is a eye pencil in Jet Black. It's vintage by Jessica Liebeskind. I don't know. But I'm sorry. This retails for $21. They say it's richly pigmented, smoky eye pencil, delivers intense jet black definition, creating pencil point precision or smudgy saturated color. The creamy soft formula glides on lids without tugging or pulling. So I'm gonna put this to the test right here on my hand and see. It is very creamy and smooth. It goes on kind of light, but if you go over it a little bit, it gets darker. Yeah, I mean, it's an eye pencil, you know, like I feel like these things, I don't know how they're gonna work until I actually use them and like apply it and see how it wears. Like, is it just gonna come right off if it's on my waterline, like after I tear up a little bit? Not that I cry on the average, but like, you know, when your eyes get like watery, whatever. I'll try that out. Black eyeliner is always nice to have. I'm saving the best for last, my favorite thing for last. So the next thing I'm picking up is the Naked Cosmetics palette, it looks like. I don't know what this is. Or no, wait a minute, I did see this. It's a holographic highlighter palette. Retails for $39.99. Ooh, oh my gosh, you guys, this is gorgeous. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. So you've got a really pinky shade here. Then you have a purple shade. This one's kind of like coral. I don't know, it's like a dark pink, like a rose. And then you've got a green, a blue, and a yellow. Well, maybe like a champagne-y kind of yellow. It's kind of, I don't know, hopefully you can see it. I feel like it's very bright. And it just comes in like a little magnetic cardboard palette. I think I need to swatch at least one of these, right? Which one? Should I be daring and go for blue? I don't think I've ever had a blue highlight. Do I have one? Maybe I have one in my Kat Von D one. Let's go with the purple. Okay, I did move my hand around in there a good bit. Oh my gosh, you guys. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. I put it just above the eyeliner. And now that I'm looking at my hand, you're going to see my terribly dry hand. Hopefully you can see that. It is really pretty, but it's not like over the top too. It's not like super, super pigmented that it wouldn't be wearable, that I'm not going to be able to apply it, but very pretty nonetheless. And you know what? I'm going to go into the blue too. That's like very, I put the blue on top of the purple. I don't know if you can see it, but that's like very icy. Very cool. I like that. All right. So the last product is another highlighting product, and that's the one that I want to put on my face today. The box is messed up. Like, this is how it was in there. Which, I don't know. As long as the product's fine, I don't really care. It retails for $28. This multi-use shimmering cream colors. Shimmering cream colors are crease-proof enough for the boldest of eye looks, and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face. Subtle for all skin types. Now, I thought this was a highlighter, but that's not really how they're marketing it. Ooh, maybe I ain't putting this on my face. Maybe I'll go back and use that other one on my cheekbones. This is I don't know why I wanted to smell it. It's really pretty though. This is such a pretty pink color that I love it. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so I put that at the very top. So it's like eyeliner, purple, blue, and then this little shimmer veil that I just got. Oh, I just got a whiff of that sugar and lemon stuff. Oh, it smells so good. The color is amethyst. It's kind of, I don't know, I guess it is pretty amethyst. Looking at it next to the purple highlighter, that other one, this looks very pink, but that is fine with me because I like wearing pink. I got green on today, but yeah, I'm excited for this. Very excited for it. I thought it was going to be a highlight, like when I saw it in pictures on Instagram, I thought it was a highlighter, but I guess they're marketing this more for eyeshadow. That's what I think they're kind of telling you to use it for. I mean, it sounds like you can use it wherever you want to. A pearlescent cream, perfect for eyelids, but can be used anywhere you want a veil of shimmer. This unparalleled, buildable formula feels weightless, lasts all day, and won't crease or transfer. I really like this. So I'm gonna go over to the mirror and I'm gonna put it on my cheekbones because I can't help myself. All right, so I put this on my cheekbones. I think I put way too much on this side. You're probably, what was that move? You're probably really gonna be able to see it over here. I didn't put nearly as much on this side and I think that looked better. This is very, very pink and it's like, I think it's more pink than my blush is coming across as. So I think it's super noticeable. But oh well, I'm gonna go with it for the day. And then the stuff that's on the back of my hand, it really is, it's like staying put, which is really nice. I can see how this is gonna work as an eyeshadow, because I mean, I'm going in and I'm touching it, and like some of the glitter is moving, but it's not moving. Like the actual pigment, the pink pigment is not actually moving. So I'm excited to use this like all over my lids, blend it out a little bit, maybe have a transition color in there, and have like an easy eye look. Super excited for this. So excited. Okay, so I don't know. The only thing I'm not like really over the top excited for is like the eyeliner, because it's an eyeliner. But this I'm excited for, the CoverFX highlight, not highlight, what is it called? Shimmer veil. That's again in amethyst, the one that I have. This palette I'm excited for too, because I, as you guys know, love me some highlight, so that's going to be super fun to play with. They are pretty, they were kind of powdery. I don't know, they applied really well though. The brushes, I always like, ooh, as I throw one, I always like trying out new brushes, so I know I'll enjoy using those. And I think this product right here, I am like pleasantly surprised with this. I think this, like I knew about the CoverFX and I was really excited for it, and I knew about the brushes and I was really excited about those. But this I didn't know I was getting, and it seems like I might actually get along with this really well. So this was a pleasant surprise, but really excited for it. All over, or I mean all around, this was a really good box for me. I really like this one. And I mean, I don't really add them up anymore, but I mean, these boxes are like $100 or more in value. So I think for the price that you pay for the actual box, it's definitely worth it. And I really enjoy it. I'm so excited to get to try these products out, and I've got full-size products, nothing small. So I'm really excited about that. I think if anything, could I say excited one more time? We should have like a little, I should do a little counter on how many times I can say excited in a BoxyCharm video. Anyways, I think I might try to look up more stuff by this brand. Not that I'm gonna try to say it again, but I might try to look that up and see if there are more different like scents and stuff. Anyways, I will leave everything listed in the description box that I got in my BoxyCharm. I'll also leave a link to BoxyCharm in case you wanted to sign up for it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can also hit the subscribe button. That means a lot to me. And if you'd like to, you can follow me on Instagram at HairbyLizzyBug. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week, and until next time, bye. Ooh. Got that done just in the nick of time. He was fast. At least my skin, it's cold.